thing you want is a little Tupperware container like this, and all you're going to take is a little paper towel and just lay it in here like this. You can see it. And now I have my 3 avocado seeds, and now I actually have been doing this already, and I have one that's ready to plant. If you come here a little bit, you can see this tiny little root right there, and this is a ready seed to plant. You can see down the crack. And now all you're gonna do as well is you want to take another piece of paper towel and lay it down, and then you're gonna grab a little mister bottle and just mist it down. Now I'll be right back. Okay, so right here I have the little lid, and now you don't want to put this in the fridge like you would for apple seeds or pear seeds or blueberries or strawberries. You actually want to keep it in a dark cabinet. So this will go into the dark cabinet in a little bit. And now I just have a pot of potting soil, and this is compost cow manure, which I'm using. And the first thing you're going to want is a little container as your drainage holder. And now if you come here, you're going to see here that I have this little potting soil. And all you're going to want to do for your avocado seed is, because you don't want to bury it all the way, you're gonna want to just plant it in like only that deep. And I'll be right back. Okay, so you can go back and sit down. And now I'm going to show you how to put fertilizer around it. And if you watched in our last episode, we actually show you how to make this fertilizer. It's coffee grinds, eggshells, and pencil shavings. And all I'm gonna do is, don't worry about that, that's just a dog. We're just gonna put a little bit around, all around here. And if you zoom, come back here, you can see how much I'm putting around it. I'm just gonna cover everywhere but the seed. So that's like, it looks way lighter because that's coffee grinds in the mix. But it will look like a, like if it's light potting soil and not cow manure, compost cow manure. And now all you're gonna want to do is, right here I got my water, and I'm just gonna drizzle it in. Just enough. And it got on the seed a little bit, but I'll just go ahead and pull that down just a little bit, because the dirt always needs to settle whenever you water it. And you can go sit down now. And I'm just going to put this away. And I also, off of the topic a little bit, but I am going to buy some seeds, and I have some in the mail that's coming soon. So I will do a video on what seeds I'm going to get for this year. And thanks for watching. Bye.